am. This is Eve with Edgyvette. Hey guys, what's up? Listen, to give you a little heads up, I know I've been off the scene for about a week now. I've been relocating the office from Raleigh to Tampa Bay, Florida, so I'm up and running. Can't wait to get back involved with everyone, and if I've missed some calls, my apologies. I am playing catch up, so bear with me. Thank you for everyone who has supported Edgyvette in the last year and a half. I've had a tremendous support network coming green into this industry, so thank you to all the patrons and the partners who have made my life very easy, and I am very humbled by it. So I continue to look for opportunities to grow and to service everyone. You're my family. Car family is car family. We put people over profit every time. I love cars, and I love helping everyone else meet their car performance enhancements. So get at me, edgyvette.com. Peace. Boy, bye.